Hi, my name is Iacopo.
And I'm his wife, Alessia.
I'm the founder of Private Stay, and it's a tool that we created to fix our own problem. We've had and we still have a property in London, UK, that we rented out long term for 5 years. And you got a little bit frustrated after a while, and I got frustrated too because it was a lot of expenses on managing fees every time we had to remarket the house. And at the end of the day, everything was eating up into our profit. And one day Alessia came to me and said, enough, can we just get back our flat and rent it out to friends and family? What made you think that that was going to be a good idea?
To me, the whole thing that was happening in the UK right now, both on the renters.
This
Is
is
it the renters
2026 now,
2026
the renters'
So, rights and all that shebang, but especially the agency fees and how complicated it was to communicate, and the fact that every little fee was actually eating up everything that we were making. And at some point I went, is it really worth it to own a property and to rent it out, to when at the end of the day I feel that we're spending way more money than actually just keeping it empty and not have anyone in there?
We also have a mortgage, so it's not that we own the house completely. So I don't think we managed to make a profit for the past few years. Alessia wanted to get back the house and just rent it to friends and family. So here's the idea that I had. If we have to get back our flat, I don't want anybody eating into our profit. Okay, we need to pay people for handling keys, for the cleaning and all of that. That's for sure. But everything else should stay in our pocket.
Also, mind you, whenever we're up in London, which is often, we ended up staying at the hotel next door. So I thought, it's the most stupidest thing we've ever done. Why can't we get our flat back? Instead of spending even more money to go and stay at the hotel nearby. So that was another point. We own the flat, but we go and live in there. I wanted to leave all my stuff in there. So I didn't want to rent it out to anyone or to leave it as an Airbnb. I never know who comes in or what they're gonna do with the flat. At the end of the day, it's my flat with my stuff in it, with my belongings, and I do care about my place. And I didn't wanna have anyone that would ruin it in a way.
So I said, okay, I was more inclined to have the safety of the long-term renting, but given that we're losing money anyway on it, I said, honey, let's go for it, let's try. And me, being a nerd, being a computer magician, I said, you know what, if we have to go do this thing, I don't just want to tell our friends, hey, we have a flat in London, whenever you want to go there, just contact me and we'll negotiate a rate, or I'll let you know, or I'll give you the keys, because people don't do it. Maybe they remember, maybe they don't, maybe they feel kind of awkward asking you, and there's always the negotiation about the money, which is a little bit weird, especially if you know each other. I said, I don't want any of that. Why don't I create a system where people I know can just register so that it's a private, closed circle, and once they register, they see all of the details on a page. Pictures of the property, the calendar connected to my calendar, so that shows the actual availability, and they can do everything by themselves. They can see the pricing, they can have a total estimate for their stay and all of that. FAQs, the area, everything they need, almost like they're looking at it into an Airbnb link.
But it has this thing of being do you remember MySpace? I don't know if you're our age, but that kind of idea of having your own group, own closed group, where people could interact and you know each other. Hey, come into MySpace, come into my group, come into my, little circle. And you've got a group of people that know each other, the friends of friends or family friends that want to go and go for a trip, maybe over in London or wherever you've got your flat. And I said that would be very nice if we could organize that. So if anything happens, we know who they are. If anything happens, we know who to contact. And I'm pretty sure that if you know the person, you're also more likely to look after the place rather than just trash it, right?
Exactly. I wanted to create a social media for our property, which was enclosed, so it's not public, only our private circle can access to it, and request bookings whenever they want. Also, I wanted to be able to contact people that were interested without me contacting all of my contacts in my phone every time I wanted to rent it out. So we did a test. I created this page, like very mechanically, like put together quickly, and we started gaining registrations. People that were interested, they told us how we know each other, and just a word of mouth. And the first week we got our first booking, and that's when the light bulb went on for me. I'm like, okay, this thing works. This is not even a person that I know. It's a friend of a friend. Because once you give a link to somebody and you tell to your friend, hey, if you hear anybody wants a property in London, for example, in our case, and you make it easy for them to remember, they'll tell everybody they know. And this is what happened. We got our first booking just through word of mouth, but everything was automatized by the system. And then I thought, I wonder if other people might need something like this. So I went back into my cave and completely redesigned the whole thing to be able for all of the other people in the world to create their own property page. But the mission of the project is crucial. I don't want a platform to eat into other people's profit. Every cent that you make with your own property should stay in your pocket. So that's how it started, and that's how it's going to be forever. And because we don't want to be a competitor of Airbnb or Booking, we do something completely different. We want to give freedom to people with properties, or one property or multiple properties, to own the circles of their contact and rent only to people that they trust. And therefore, I created Private Space, which is... What?
Private space.
What did I say?
Private space.
You because you said my space before. And that's why I created Private Stay, which is a place where you can create your own property page in minutes that looks amazing, connects with your calendar. You can set your pricing and send the link to friends and friends of friends, so that you can start gaining followers on your page, and only people that you trust can see and you can grant access to, just to view the details of your property, and they can rent it from there. Everything else, we have a communication system inside the platform. You can manage your bookings, very professional. And when you present your property to even a friend or a friend of a friend, you look legit. This is what we've been told with the second booking that we got paid in full. A week later, the first one, they said, I looked at your page suggested by my friend and it looked amazing. We wanted to give it a shot. We usually stay in another place, but yours looks better. Why? Because it's presented better. And this is why Private Stay can really make a difference for any property owner that wants to get away from agencies eating their profits. For one property, it's completely free, and it's a complete system that you can build your property page in seconds. And now that we have that going on for our property as well, now we're going back to London. We can sleep in our home because we blocked out the dates in the calendar, which syncs with our booking page, and it's amazing. You're happy to go back in London and sleeping in your own bed?
I very much am. No more hotels.
I'm happy to report that the first guests that we had, because they're friends of trusted people, we had no issues with them. They were the most delighted tenants we've ever had. And we've had quite a few in the past 5 years, so we know. And that to me is paramount. Like, it's our home. We don't want to give it to anybody. And with agencies or platforms online, you never know who you're going to get. But if you're in control of your network, things change. So this is why I'm so excited about this project. privatestay.club. If you want to create your own account, it's free. You can start right now. If you want to ask for an invite code, just send me a DM. I'll put a link in the description box below, or you can request it from the website itself and start spreading the word. and letting all the people that you know that you can rent out your property and remove the middleman from the equation.
So welcome to private stay, and we hope you enjoy your stay.
So
So cheesy.
cheesy and corporate.